Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payments failed on Call of Duty Mobile. Now, Codm in 2025 might fail when you're trying to pay for some reason. So how do you clear this up? How do you rectify this problem? It's quite simple. Number one, verify your payment method. Always verify your payment method. Make sure the addresses, everything you put matches the address on your Google Play or Apple Pay Store account settings. Make sure they match. Then ensure they are entered correctly and your card hasn't expired. Next, confirm that your payment method has sufficient funds for the purchase. Next, if that does not work, simply try an alternative payment method like another credit card, PayPal, or gift card. You can also check your account region because you need to ensure the region set in your payment account, Google Play or App Store matches your current location. Then you can restart the game and device. So, reboot your mobile device. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. You can also clear cache and data if you're using an Android device. And then you can restart your device and try the purchase again. Don't forget to verify your payment account. Sign into your Google Payments, that is payments.google.com, or your Apple ID account and check for any notifications of efficient requests. Follow the instructions provided. Now, if the issues persist after trying all the steps, the problem might be on the games or the payment provider side. In such cases, contacting their respective support teams would be the next course of action. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.